Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
US President Donald Trump will extend a June the 19th deadline for China-based ByteDance to divest the US assets of short video app TikTok for 90 days, despite a law that mandated a sale or shutdown absent significant progress, the White House said. The three major US stock indexes briefly added to gains in volatile trade after the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged and signalled borrowing costs were still likely to fall this year, but slowed the overall pace of expected future rate cuts. Coinbase is expanding its partnership with clearinghouse Nodal Clear to bring Circle's USDC stablecoin into US futures markets as eligible collateral. USDC will now be accepted as collateral for margined futures trading, a move designed to encourage stablecoin adoption in regulated derivatives markets.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.